think, from doing the floors.
And all the massages for your pregnant wife.
Stuff is holding up. On this side, just straighten that leg. Good. That's fine. Good. Line her back.